Some machines are built to move you from point A to point B. This one is built to redefine what it even means to travel. Welcome to the 2026 Toyota Luxury Motorhome, a masterpiece on wheels that doesn't just turn heads, it stops time. Look at this front. Bold, aggressive, absolutely commanding. The signature Toyota emblem sits right at the heart of a sculpted front grille, chrome finished, precision cut, catching every ray of the golden sun. The angular LED headlights slice through the darkness like twin lightning bolts, lighting your path with the authority only Toyota dares to deliver. Finished in a deep obsidian black, every panel reflects the world around it like a moving mirror. The aerodynamic lines that sweep across the body aren't just design choices, they are statements. This is not a motorhome, this is a throne on wheels. Triple rear axles, massive chrome alloy wheels, built for power, built for presence, built to carry luxury wherever the road dares to go. Now move to the rear, and if the front was the opening act, the back is the grand finale. The wide, flat rear panel wears the Toyota badge with quiet pride. Sleek LED taillights cascade in a deep, rich red, like embers glowing in the dark. Chrome accents frame every edge. The entire rear elevation is one seamless, unbroken wall of luxury and power. From every angle, this motorhome commands respect. It doesn't ask for attention, it demands it. Step inside and leave the ordinary world behind. The cockpit of this motorhome is not a driver's cabin, it is a pilot's command center. 2 seats, the driver's throne and the co-pilot's companion seat, both wrapped in the finest leather, sculpted for comfort on the longest journeys. The dashboard is a work of art. 3 luxury LED screens dominate the instrument panel, one directly in front of the driver and 2 side screens flanking the console, displaying navigation, systems, and entertainment at the touch of a finger. Every gauge, every indicator, every detail is precision engineered for elegance and function. And at the center of it all, a luxury steering wheel dressed in premium leather with a glowing white Toyota logo at its heart. Every time you grip that wheel, you feel it, the weight of excellence in your hands. Move beyond the cockpit, and the motorhome opens up into something extraordinary. The first-floor living area is pure, unapologetic luxury. On your right, a deep, oversized sofa. On your left, another, both facing each other in perfect symmetry, inviting you to sit back and travel in a style most people only dream about. And at the very heart of the room, a handcrafted table built from the finest wood and topped with crystal-clear glass, where conversations are had, deals are made, and memories are created. And directly in front, a breathtaking 74-inch luxury LED screen. Behind a private, elegantly designed door, the luxury bedroom awaits, a sanctuary of calm and comfort, separated from the world, offering rest that is worthy of the road you've conquered. The luxury kitchen is a chef's dream, premium finishes, top-tier appliances, every detail designed so that fine dining is never more than a few steps away, no matter where in the world you are parked. And then the spa-style bathroom, marble, chrome, ambient lighting, rainfall shower. This is not a motorhome bathroom. This is a 5-star spa experience, engineered to travel with you wherever you go. Because true luxury does not stop at the front door. It follows you everywhere. But we haven't shown you everything yet. Rise above, because this 2026 motorhome doesn't just have 1 floor of luxury, it has 2. Welcome to the rooftop, the crown of this extraordinary machine, an open-air, fully equipped luxury deck that sits high above the road, high above the world, and miles above expectations. This is where the elite gather. This is where families celebrate. This is where the view becomes the entertainment and the sky itself becomes the ceiling. Protected by sleek safety railings and designed for pure outdoor luxury, this rooftop is a private party venue, a sunset lounge, and a stargazing paradise, all in one. 2 floors, 1 vision, 0 compromise. This is not just a vehicle. This is not just a motorhome. This is the future of travel in 2026, the pinnacle of craftsmanship, and the ultimate expression of what it means to live without limits. 2026 Toyota Luxury Motorhome, moving forward in the most extraordinary way imaginable.